Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. In this new video and 3-minute series for prelims, we'll be discussing about the two constitutional bodies, that is District and Metropolitan Planning Committees, which are established under the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. The District Planning Committee is established through the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992, where the main purpose of the DPC is to coordinate plans for the district level and submit it to the state level so that a development plan for the whole state can be created. The provisions of the District Planning Committee is that the state legislature can make provisions with respect to the following: the composition of the DPC and the manner of election of the members to that such committees, and the functions of such committees in relation to the district planning, and the manner of election of chairpersons of such committees. The Constitutional Amendment Act says that about 4/5 of the total members of the District Planning Committee shall be elected by the elected members of the district panchayat and the municipalities in the district. That is, they are indirectly elected. Suppose, let us consider this as a district. This district has about 70% of the area under rural areas and 30% under urban area. Therefore, the composition of the members shall be in the ratio of 70:30 in the committee, and of this 70:30, the members shall be elected from all the three levels of the panchayat in the rural areas, and also the members from the municipal areas. For every metropolitan area, there shall be a Metropolitan Planning Committee which shall do the duties as per the District Planning Committee which was discussed earlier. The composition and the other functions that are to be carried out are similar to that as determined by the state legislature for the Metropolitan Planning Committee, and this act specifically lays down that about 2/3 of the members of the MPC should be elected by the elected members of the municipalities and chairpersons of the panchayats. Please remember, this is chairpersons of the panchayats and not members of the panchayats. While in the case of District Planning Committee, it was members of the panchayat and not chairpersons. Please remember this point for the prelims perspective. And the representation of these members in the committee should be in the proportion of the area between the municipalities and the panchayats in that municipality area. The constitutional provision for the District Planning Committee is Article 243ZD, and the constitutional provision for the Metropolitan Planning Committee is 243ZE. Therefore, these both are constitutional committees. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements. District Planning Committee is established through the 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act of 1992. DPC is applicable only to rural areas. The correct answer is D, none. As we have just discussed that these two constitutional bodies are created through the 74th Constitutional Amendment Act and not 73rd. Therefore, statement 1 is wrong. The statement 2 is also wrong because it is applicable to both rural and urban areas. That is, the membership of the committee is divided in the ratio of rural is to urban in that particular district. Therefore, the correct answer is D, none. Thank you.